Hey there, money savers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video packed with brilliant money saving hacks that will help you reduce your expenses and supercharge your savings. So make sure to grab a pen and a paper because we're diving into some serious frugal living strategies. Number 1, grocery shopping. Let's start in the heart of every home, the kitchen. We all know grocery bills can eat up a big chunk of our budget, but fear not, because we've got some incredible tips to help you save on your next shopping trip. First and foremost, you want to plan your meals in advance. Trust me, this little trick will save you from those pricey impulse buys. Next, you want to harness the power of coupons. Websites, apps, and newspapers are treasure troves of discounts waiting to be unlocked. And remember, generic brands are often just as good as the pricier alternatives. 2, slashing utility bills. Now, let's turn down the dial on those utility bills. We'll have you cutting costs without sacrificing comfort in no time. So start by being mindful of your energy usage. You want to make sure you turn off lights and electronics when you leave a room and unplug those energy vampires lurking in standby mode. And hey, a programmable thermostat can be your best friend. So make sure to set it automatically, and it will adjust the temperature when you're away, saving you money without lifting a finger. Number 3, thrifty transportation. Ready to put your transportation expenses in the passenger seat? Buckle up, my friends, because we've got some awesome tips for you. First and foremost, you should consider carpooling or taking public transportation whenever possible. It's not only eco-friendly, but it also saves you money on fuel and vehicle maintenance. And remember, maintaining your car's health is essential. Properly inflated tires and regular maintenance can improve your fuel efficiency and save you some serious cash at the pump. Number 4, entertainment on a budget. Now, who said saving money means sacrificing fun? Get ready to enjoy life while keeping your wallet happy. So you don't have to break the bank to have a good time. Make sure to check out local community events, visit parks, or organize a potluck dinner or game night with friends. And instead of shelling out big bucks for cable TV, grab yourself your favorite streaming service and explore a world of affordable entertainment at your fingertips. Number 5, frugal living gems. We've covered the essentials, but we're not done yet. Here are some fantastic frugal living ideas to help you take your savings game to the next level. First things first, you want to make sure you create a budget and track your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. However, be mindful of your purchases and ask yourself, do I really need this? Trust me, it works wonders, and I have used it many times. And don't forget the magic thrift stores and online marketplaces for second-hand treasures. So there you have it, folks. Congratulations, money savers. You have earned with some incredible money-saving hacks to slash your expenses and boost your savings. Remember, every small change counts, so go out there and conquer your financial goals. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving content. Until next time, my friends, stay frugal and keep those pockets full. Thank you.